C load M. And we are loading. Okay, so two things that I have here for sale on eBay, you can find them on eBay, is one practically perfect, unused almost 64K colour computer 2. I can't find hardly any signs of use on it. One of the most low use machines you're going to find. It's also the last of the Coco 2 with the better character generator in it, and it's the 64K. So if you're looking for one of those, have a look for it on eBay. Naturally, it's got 64K and extended basic. Other thing I've got on eBay is the cassette we are loading, or the cassette player, which is in the process of loading our game. It is a Radio Shack TRS-80 CCR-81. Keen spotters will see that this is the silver version. Most of them are white, but they did make a few silver ones early on. So it matches nicely the Coco 1, the Model 3, the Model 1 computer with its silvery grey paint job. Back to our game loading. It's not the fastest tape loading computer in the world, but still faster than its contemporaries like the Commodore 64 or the Atari 800. Shouldn't be long now. I like to use this tape because it's a very long loading game. Tests the tape recorders out well. If you can load a short tape but has trouble with a long tape, there might be something wrong with the speed of the tape deck. But if it can load a long tape like this one, then there's no speed issues or other problems with the tape deck. So we should not be very far away. And there we have it. So there's our game loaded. Don't know if you can hear the sound of the police car in the background, but Melbourne's out of lockdown. So there you have it. If you're looking for a Coco 2 or a CCR-81 tape deck, check them out on eBay. Thanks for watching.